It's Monday morning. I am tackling the front of the Toter home. I'm taking that nose cone off. I set up scaffolding. Obviously, I've got scaffolding because I was a bricklayer, duh. So, all that stainless trim on the bottom above the truck roof, I'm going to take off. So, whenever Jeffrey gets here, he'll put up the GoPro, but that's what I'm working on. Get ready, here we go.
Alright guys, so Monday morning, taking a little break from the 57. The Pops has already gotten started ripping the cap off the new Toter. How's that going?
It's not as bad as I thought. This is that. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
It's horrible.
So what are we gonna do? Just cut a piece of it out of that roof section?
I don't know. I talked to Mark and Tony at Renegade. They said they'll cut me a new piece, but I don't know if enough of that is good, polished, like, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. If we can, yes.
Okay.
So, but hey, did you ever see Renegade without a front cone, nose cone on it?
That's pretty wild.
Yeah.
That looks like a lot of cleaner.
This is a lot of rot too.
Yeah. Well, it's wood.
Yep.
So.
It's not sealed like I thought it would be. Like, I don't know. I guess it is. That's all caulking, but it was all loose.
Oh.
You know?
Well, goes down the road, everything's gonna come loose. You know.
This thing makes one hell of a racket.
I bet.
On the roof.
So how's it held against the body?
Okay, so this here, this is the edge of it, and it's stapled up. So we just pry it down,
okay.
and it's stapled to the top of that wall right there.
So how are we going to get those things?
I don't know. I really don't. I figure we'll start getting into it and see how far back it goes, and I may have to go in there and rip the bunk apart.
Okay.
You know?
Well, even at that, I don't really think you're going to access that, because
there's a subfloor in the bunk for sure.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I mean, it's not really going to give you much access to it. Hopefully it's rotted enough that we can just pull it out all the way back.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. This has gone pretty smooth so far for a Monday morning. I would bet not.
Yeah.
Will you give me?
It's still wet, man.
No, it's soaked. Will you give me a claw hammer?
Huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
We get this all set up.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't know where you want to put it.
I was kind of hoping one of these were left out so I could set this in there, but you know, we'll just switch to the other GoPro.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright. I can magnetic mount it right to it. So, that'll be good. So, as you guys are watching on time lapse and just watch through that camera, we got the whole front pulled apart.
A little more than I anticipated, but man, this is what I heard on the way home. So
yeah, that piece was rotted out on all corners.
So this don't look bad. So what I'm gonna do is I talked to somebody before, and what they do is you dig the rotted stuff out. This is very minimal rot here. I'll pack that with fiberglass and let it harden up. Same here, so this will stay good. And then we'll put the new pieces on, so it'll be cool.
Yeah, this side's beautiful. Yeah, we got some cleaning to do now, though.
Yeah, we gotta get that piece
out
of there. Yeah.
Which I don't look like it's gonna be that bad.
No, it's just.
I say we just cut it right down on the sides.
Try to block it. Yeah.
And then just make a square channel to go in, because that's got chrome anyways. You know what I mean?
Say that one more time, Jeff.
So like the chrome cap that wraps this goes under here.
Yeah.
So we'll just trim this back to as close as we can, and then the new piece we'll just have to notch in.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
You know what I mean? Because the chrome will hold it.
Yeah. Okay. So we're doing okay here. Like I said, a little worse than I thought. You could see that, man, it was getting wet.
Yeah, and I mean, these things go down the road, so everything just vibrates loose.
And it's an investment, and we try to take care of our stuff. This here don't scare me at all.
This side was leaking really bad.
Yeah, Sean Murder Nova, his first one was really bad. They cut all this off. These were rotted.
Oh wow!
Gone.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So that's about it. So
Yeah.
I think what I want to do, I'm gonna sick you on that, and then I'm gonna fix this rot. And I just talked to Renegade. I maybe leave tonight or first thing in the morning. I'll run get the wood.
Okay.
And get it right back together.
Yeah. We don't want to let this sit out.
We have no time to waste here, so.
No, we gotta go race Lizzie next week.
Yeah.
All right.
Just it.
Pretty tore apart. And we got Ben.
What's he doing?
Nothing.
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 Yeah, so we dug in a little deeper than I wanted, but we got rid of all the rot. So it's weird. Where they screwed it together on the stainless, the water followed the screws in, and you can see it just ran down. So I got Stainless Works getting us new stainless for that, and I'll make it a little bit taller, and we'll move the holes so we don't have to reuse those holes. But I'm gonna haul ass to Renegade tonight and get the panels for this, and hopefully, I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, but I'll be driving all day tomorrow, so
Yeah.
when I get home.
And we had a big piece that we could have probably got all that out of, but it's used, it's off the roof of the trailer, and
Yeah.
it's just better to start with fresh.
Yeah, so we're just going to start with fresh, and that's the Toter Home project. It's got to be done by Friday because it's got to go to Pittsburgh Power to get fixed. Whatever's going on with the motor.
Yeah, so we're right on schedule.
Yeah, so I may have got a lemon out of it.
It's just wood.
Yeah,
Ain't that hard.
I can still sell it. I
yeah.
mean, but whoever gets this after us, it'll be a nice piece for them.
Yeah, all the rot will be gone.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really the only spots we found rot in this thing. They already redid the rear section.
Yeah, the rear's done. All the baggage doors are done. We're picking them up tomorrow.
Yeah.
Picking them up tomorrow. So it should be good. It'll be a nice piece once we're done.
Yeah, get a season out of it, and then if you don't like it, sell it.
Yep.
But that's going to pretty much wrap up today.
That was a long day. No, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't really that
what
long.
time is it?
I don't know.
Shit, it's only 2:20.
Yeah, that's not a bad day at all.
No, that was pretty good.
But
All right. I'm going to cover part of it up with the tarp because, like I said, I think I'm going to get on the road tonight. That way I can be there first thing in the morning, get it, and start driving back. So.
yeah. I mean, I'm going to start putting this video together so that way
Okay.
everyone can see it today.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
All right.
Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, you'll see me tomorrow. You won't see him.
Hey, don't forget to tell your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna start doing some free giveaways for new subscribers and stuff like that. So it's stuff I've been thinking about and working on. So Jeffrey's been on the videos pretty good. So tell your friends, get some more likes and shares and all that good stuff out there. And thanks for watching.